to you. There happened a story you must see to believe.
It's a date! It's an invitation! Come join the Whoville celebration!
Ring the bells of holiday cheer! The grandest of moments is almost here!
Kids are here now, not to move the ginger over Christmas tree, the Christmas for the
Good day! Happy holidays to you all! Welcome to our town, both the big and the small. I am the Mayor of Whoville, and the Book of Who proclaims we welcome all to join in our grandest tradition. Who's over here? Who's over there? Who's from every which way and where? Welcome to the Whovilation!
Turn up the tree with Christmas stuff and bingo balls and hoo-hoo fluff. Turn up the town with goo-hoo gums and bizzle-binks. And turn up the tree with bizzle-binks and bombs.
Hooray!
Mayor Mayhew, what's the meaning of Christmas?
Presents, parties, food!
Mayor Mayhew, who is the Grinch?
Well, you see, CindyLou, the Grinch is a who. Well, he's not really a who. He's actually more of a...
A what?
Exactly.
Yes, see, CindyLou, the Grinch hated Christmas the whole Christmas season.
Now, please don't ask why. No one quite knows the reason.
It could be that his head wasn't screwed on quite right.
It could be, perhaps, that his shoes were too tight.
But we think the most likely reason of all may be that his heart was 2 sizes too small.
Yes, the Who's here in Whoville liked Christmas a lot.
Christmas has to be more than just twinkling lights. It's the magic of giving that makes Christmas so right.
That's sweet, my dearest little CindyLou. Now, stay out of the way. We have lots to do. Bring it up, boys.
I've got the Christmas tree, I got the memories, I got the box of decorations. I've got the tinsel strung, the mistletoe's been hung, I got the means of celebration. I've got the lights down low, the skies are dreaming snow. I've got the Yule log burning bright, and by the Christmas tree I've got you here with me. I've got the perfect Christmas night, and by that Christmas tree I've got you here with me. I've got the perfect Christmas night. Merry Christmas.
The town of Whoville is proud to announce the winner of this year's Humanitarian Award. Now we have someone very special presenting the award. Let us CindyLouWho.
As a representative of the town of Whoville, I am very proud to present this special 1000th Humanitarian Award to Mr. Grinch.
It's me.
That green espresso. Sorry, I was in my moment. Ooh. Why not, right? Boom. Hey, DJ.
Huh?
Give me a bouncy seed.
Mr. Grinch, you really are a
You're as cuddly as a cactus, and as charming as a bee, Mr. Grinch. Don't you ever!
Thank you. Please go on. Why don't you? All right. I believe I'm here to accept an award of some kind, and the child mentioned a check.
No, I didn't.
There is no check.
No check. Fine. Give me the award while I'm young.
The town of Whoville proudly bestows upon you its highest honor.
Wait! He stole our Christmas!
What?
Prove it.
Well, what's in the bag?
Are your shoes untied?
Huh?
Oh, Mr. Mayor.
What's in the bag, fellow?
All right, I confess. You got me. I did it. I took it to Mount Trumpet to the tip-top to dump it. Rhyming. I took your Christmas. You have me, it's true. But with these feelings inside, I brought it back to you. Guys, you guys.
Can we just get back to Christmas the way it's supposed to be? Grinchmas! Bring me the book!
Get the book! Get the book! Where's the book? Hurry with the book! Get the book!
And I quote, the term Grinchy shall apply when Christmas spirit is in short supply.
Yes, but the book also states that no matter how different a who may appear, they will always be welcome with holiday cheer. Mr. Grinch, you've shown us the true meaning. Nothing's been missed. And because of your deed, you deserve this. Your cheek, it's so...
Yeah, I know. Hairy.
No.
Dirty, oily. Do I have a zip?
No. Warm.
No. Trickery.
Come this way. Forest of glories, welcome Christmas, Christmas Day. Welcome, welcome, Domus, welcome, welcome, Domus. Christmas Day is in our grasp, so long as we learn hands to clasp.
And what happened then? Well, in Whoville they say that the Grinch's small heart grew 3 sizes that day.
Oh, again now. Maxie, I'm scared. I'm feeling.
Looking around, he puzzled. And he puzzled some more. Then the Grinch thought of something he hadn't before.
Maybe Christmas
He thought,
doesn't come from a store. Maybe Christmas perhaps means a little bit more. Welcome Christmas, bring your cheer. Cheer to all who's far and near. Christmas Day will always be just as long as we have we. Welcome Christmas while we stand heart to heart, hand in hand. Oh God!
As the mayor of Whoville, I hereby decree, let us light this stupendous, magnificent tree! And now count with me, one and all, from 5 to 1, who's tall and small. Are you ready?
Wait, double wait. I forgot one little bulb. And here we go!
So the Grinch saved Christmas. And all through the town, all the Who's Him and Whoville watched the snow falling down.
Check that out, right?
Happy holidays!
And Merry Grinchmas!